Eating an orange a day or every few days can help with a cold or flu, because oranges are a great source of vitamin C, an acid with many medicinal and health-giving properties that fight bacterial and viral infections, and are packed with complex compounds that strengthen the cardiovascular system and protects the body from certain types of cancers. The juice in oranges contains as much vitamin C as the fruit itself. The daily consumption of oranges cleanses the whole body, purifies the blood, and acts like an internal antiseptic. You can eat oranges freshly peeled or sliced, squeezed into orange juice, mix them in with smoothies, or use them for seasoning. To get the full qualities from the orange, eat the whole peeled fruit, including its pulp and membranes, since these contain the fruit's pectin, that has the most nutrients. It's good to know that commercially processed orange juice does not have the same number of healing properties as freshly squeezed orange juice. So if you are going to make orange juice, grab some oranges, squeeze them, and make your own orange juice. When I was in college, I ate an orange almost every day, because the cafeteria was set up like a buffet style. And after each meal, I'd grab a few oranges, take them back with me, and store them in my dorm. I saw tremendous improvements in my immune system during this time while eating oranges. One medium-sized orange contains approximately 70 milligrams of vitamin C, coming close to reaching the recommended daily amount, that is 75 milligrams for women and 90 milligrams for men. The oranges most commonly found in North America come from Florida and California. They are good for 1 to 2 weeks when left out at room temperature, and last about 3 to 4 weeks when stored in the refrigerator, so add oranges into your nutrition.